In today's video, I'll be showing you a strategy that will make you money by doing absolutely nothing. You can make passive income regularly just by leaving your phone aside or sleeping with this strategy. And I know this sounds too good to be true, but it's really not. I'll be showing you the easiest and fastest way to make money just by using your smartphone and doing nothing. I will show you the apps required for this strategy and the exact steps that are required in order for the strategy to work for you so you can earn money. And this method is quite simple and straightforward. It takes little to no work whatsoever. All you will need is a smartphone and an internet connection. So let's get started. To begin, you want to make sure that you have a strong internet connection in order for this to work for you. You must have a strong internet connection. If you don't, then you might not be able to make money with this method. If your internet connection is so-so, then your earnings will likely get cut short. Another thing that will help with this strategy is having a laptop. It's not necessary, but it will definitely help you in the long run and enable you to cash out much faster if you have a laptop, and I'll explain why later in this video. Now, the next thing you will need is a PayPal account. You will need a way for you to collect your money, so PayPal will be the fastest and easiest way for you to do this. Alright, so the app I'm going to show you today is one called Phone Paycheck. Don't go to this app yet, you will need to pay close attention here first. This video isn't sponsored by this app, this is just an app I think is a great way for you to make money online. I'll be explaining who this app will be best suited for, so please watch this entire video to see if you are the right fit for this app or if you're not. So Phone Paycheck is this app that was developed by this software company called Neocortex. The company specializes in cloud-based apps like Phone Paycheck, which is supposed to run in the background of your phone and pay you while it does that. You won't even have to actually use the app in order for it to work. It will just sit running in the background of your phone and will pay you. Essentially, you will do nothing and it will pay you at the end of every month. The payout is about $4 a month, which is really not that much money. But I will show you how you can earn significantly more money than that if you stick with me to the end of this video. Earning only $4 a month isn't very much, so you will want to continue watching this to learn what I have next for you. So before we begin using this app, I want to let you know what exactly it is doing while running in the background of your phone. How this works is that it will use your phone's central processing unit and pay you for the time that it lives on your phone. So now you're probably wondering why this app would want to use your phone's CPU and pay you money. If we head over to the website, it will explain why. You can also watch this video here to learn more about how this works. The video explains that by using your phone's CPU, Phone Paycheck can assist certain companies that they are working with to complete large tasks like testing websites and other things that might require input from a variety of devices. In other words, Phone Paycheck will work with these companies that want to test out their websites before they launched them to see the website's speed and other data. In order to learn more about that data, they will come on to Phone Paycheck and use the CPU from your smartphone to actually do the testing, then send that data back to the companies they worked with. Those companies will then pay Phone Paycheck, and Phone Paycheck will then pay you. Phone Paycheck is essentially the middleman between you and these companies that want to test their websites before launching them. So now that you have an understanding of how the app works and how you can get paid from it, the next question on your mind is probably how you can actually get started with this so you can make money. First, you will want to head over to the website and sign up and get accepted for a free account. I also checked out this website to make sure it's safe to use before showing you, because I always want to make sure it's safe to use before showing all of you. So there is a terms of use and privacy policy that you will need to agree to. I also did some research to see if this app actually does pay people to use it, and people do actually earn money using this. There are great reviews online that I saw on Google Play. There were, however, some people saying that this website was not accepted in their country, and that is definitely the main issue with this website. Not everyone can get accepted. But if you don't, just continue trying. If you signed up and got rejected, try signing up again but with a different email and try changing your country until you do get accepted. The issue is that they have many people signing up from the same country and therefore don't accept people from that country. So just change your country and email until you get accepted. There is an app you can download on your phone, but it currently will only work with Android devices. So if you are skeptical about this app selling your information or whatnot, if you scroll down here, they state that they will not sell your information or even collect it and send it to advertisers. So there's nothing to worry about there. So in this section here, where it says show me the money, you will be able to see the earnings scheme they have included in this website. It shows right here that you can earn about $320 per year just by using one phone and one spare. You can actually do this by using up to 5 phones, which they will allow with this website. That will enable you to earn 5 times the amount you would otherwise. So you could sign up on a friend's smartphone, a family member's smartphone, sign up on your computer as well, sign up to as many phones or devices as you can. Another thing that's very important is that you want to make sure you're on an active account in order to earn income passively. And the reason you want to be an active user is because they will pay you much more if you are actually active as opposed to being passive. Here's what I mean by that. If you look here on this page, you can view their active rate and standby rate. They are very different. The standby rates, as you can see here, are very low. You will get paid about $6 per year. This is quite low. So don't worry about the standby rate because you are essentially earning next to nothing. You want to focus on using an active account. This will enable you to get paid much more. As it states right here, you can get paid over $240 per year by using an active account. This is significantly more money than $6 per year. And again, you can 5 times this amount if you use 5 different devices. And once your account hits $10, you will be able to cash out your money. And you can earn this money in a matter of just a couple of weeks by doing nothing. So this is really very easy to use. Just download the app, sign up, and let it run in the background of your device so you can earn money passively. I hope you received a lot of value from this video and that you go out and try this for yourself so you can start earning money. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.